So welcome back to IO Kashyap YouTube channel, and today in this video I'm going to tell you the difference between custom ROM, stock ROM and ported ROM. So as you can see, this is Nothing OS running on my Redmi Note 10. As you know, Nothing OS is made by Nothing and it does not belong to Redmi. But I have installed it because this is a ported ROM. Basically the operating system or the system partition is basically ported over to Redmi. And now this is my Redmi 4X running on MIUI 11. This is actually stock ROM. As you can see, everything is stock. And about ported ROMs may contain bugs that the porter may fix or wasn't able to fix. In stock ROM, everything works as expected because it is made by the original manufacturer. For example, Nothing OS by Nothing, Oxygen OS by OnePlus, FunTouch and Origin OS by Vivo. And now this is a built ROM. Built ROM basically or generally doesn't contain any bugs as it is built from source made by developers. So custom ROM is basically a general term given to two of them, ported and built ROM. The performance in all three may vary, and the kernel and vendor that can be used in ported ROMs may come from stock or built ROM. Generally, the ported ROMs are a bit laggy compared to stock or built ROM. Built ROM are basically the best ones out of these three as it can be based on latest Android versions, updated kernel and security patch as well. As you can see, the gaming performance in this built ROM, basically Infinity X, is also good for my Redmi Note 10. So in conclusion, stock ROM is what comes from stock, ported ROM is what comes from other devices stock, and built ROM that is built from source. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.